faster now than at any time previously in human history. With great change comes a great need to monitor our environment in new and innovative ways. My name is Paul Georgie, and I founded GeoGeo in 2011 to help communities, governments and businesses understand the benefits of thinking spatially under one geography and adopt state-of-the-art geospatial technologies to support local development planning and build local resilience in an increasingly changing world. In 2014, our eBee, nicknamed Amy, helped GeoGeo become the first company in the UK approved to operate drones over both urban and live highway environments, whilst pioneering their use across a range of environmental and engineering applications. Last winter, we headed out to the Inner Hebrides of Scotland to the Isles of Canna and Sandy, one of the windiest locations on Earth and home to both the golden and white-tailed sea eagles. Our aim was to map an array of island features, including 5,000 years of human history, local tourism and energy developments, as well as assessing the peatlands, an important part of the Scottish landscape and strategy to store carbon. The eBee's flexibility and eagle avoidance measures allowed us to map this entire remote island community during a rare 5-day break in winds, capturing over 1/4 terabyte in data along the way. Our eBee revolutionizes our ability to monitor and analyze our world in a timely, cost-effective manner with a resolution previously unseen in Earth observation. Using artificial intelligence and traditional remote sensing analysis, we're delivering near real-time virtual engineering environments from which local information can be integrated, creating an innovative development atlas to engage and empower local communities in their development priorities. With Amy, our eBee, our team of geographers and geospatial experts is helping lower the barriers of access to sectors once marginalized from traditional Earth observation technologies.